Well, some scientists have actually gone to their Bible to explain what it used to be like. And I'm getting ready to share you one of the ideas. There's actually several based on biblical accounts, but the one I'm going to talk about is one that scientists have looked at their Bible, and it says, in the beginning, God separated the waters above from the waters below. So from this, they believe that what God did is he had like a wall of water, what we would call a canopy of water, all around the earth. And this canopy would have done something. It would have acted, kind of made the earth very much like a hothouse or greenhouse. Have you guys ever been to a hothouse or greenhouse? What's it like when you go in there? Well, it's hot and it's also humid. There's actually water hanging in the air. Plants really like that. They grow very well under warm, humid conditions. So we would have had plants probably growing all around the earth. No hot spots and cold spots like we have today. We would have had vegetation everywhere. And that's what the fossil record actually shows us. Now, another thing this canopy of water would have done, this wall of water, it would have allowed light to still come through. So we still would have had colors like we see today. But it also would let other things come through. Things like come from the sun, like infrared rays, microwaves, and radio waves. Now, you guys understand infrared waves? When you guys are out there in the sun and you're getting hot, well, it's infrared that's making you hot. That's not what's giving you burns, but that's what's heating you up. And microwaves, we've learned how to make them. What do we use microwaves for today? We cook things, don't we? Like popcorn. I like microwave popcorn. In fact, I probably like it too much, don't I? All right? But we use things like that today. What about radio waves? We have learned how to use radio waves. What do we use them for? Radio, television, to make sound go across the air. Now, those can, go through water, so those would have made it to the earth if this canopy was out there before the flood. But there's some other things that come from the sun that are really bad for us. These are the ultraviolet, the X-rays, and the gamma rays. These aren't real good for us, guys. They give us sunburn, the skin cancer, and some scientists believe that, in fact, in combination with these other things, these actually make us get older, age us. But those can't get through water. So now, wait a minute. Well, before the flood, if a canopy was out there, then these things that are real harmful for us would not have made it to the earth. So some scientists believe that maybe people could have lived a lot longer in the past when this canopy was out there. And you know what? When we go to our Bible, guess what we find out? That people did live a long time in the past.